Hey everybody, Backyard Scrapping here, and it is that time. It is time for our 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and as you can see by the looks of this table, we got a couple of things to give away here. First off, I want to thank Man Mountain Link for his tremendous donation. It was greatly appreciated. I also want to thank Dime Digger for sending a bunch of his stickers and a bunch of dimes and a couple of ounces of silver. I really appreciate it, guys. You really helped to make this a really good drawing. I want to kind of explain what's going on here. We have actually 21 different prizes to give away. They're all basically similar or basically the same. So I'm going to get into that in just a second. Briefly, I'm just going to say that YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway, that me, Backyard Scrapping, is solely responsible for it. I also want to say that I appreciate my overseas subscribers, but I'm only going to be able to do this for the US and Canada, and it's just simply because it's just too hard to, make sure stuff gets where it's going and the rules and what you're sending, and it's just getting ridiculous. But anyhow, I don't know if you guys remember a couple videos back, I asked if anybody, in fact I believe it was the teaser video where I asked if anybody wanted to make a shout out video. We only actually got 3 shout out video entries, so one of 3 people is going to get this 1969 proof set with a 40% silver half in it. And then we are going to do these 10 places, which are all basically the same. I'll kind of explain the differences right here. I wanted everybody to get silver and gold. So what we have over on this first row is we have a bunch of copy stuff. These are some copy Morgan silver dollars, and then we have a copy double eagle and some copy gold bars, and then a copy California $20 gold piece. We have 10 Dime Digger stickers here. The reason I did it this way is because the first 5 Trump, these are gold-plated Trump coins, or Trump rounds, and then the second 5 are silver-plated Trump rounds. So we alternated, the silver and the gold so that everybody would get gold and silver. Everybody is also going to get a, I'll get down here, the Second Amendment Silver Shield round. Also going to get a Lincoln 1909 SVDB 1 ounce round and a Navy 1 ounce round, and these were all donated by Man Mountain Link. Also we're going to get 1 each of my magnets, and then we're going to get a Mercury dime and a Rosie dime from Dime Digger for each place, and then first and second place are going to get this Prospector 1 ounce bar from Dime Digger and this Sunshine 1 ounce bar from Dime Digger. Third, fourth, and fifth place will receive a 1965 for third place special mint set. Fourth place will be a 66 special mint set. Fifth place will be a 67 special mint set. And those halves in these are, they're pretty good. I was almost thinking about busting this one out and sending it in for grading. If you can pull a high grade off of one of those, they can be worth a whole bunch. 6th place through 10th place is actually going to receive a 1987 uncirculated coin set. These sets have the second NIFC half dollars that were issued. The first NIFC half dollars were actually the 1970, so the 1970 mint set was the first time we had an NIFC half. 87 was the second time we had an NIFC half, and then naturally in 2002, from then on, they're all NIFCs. But anyway, you get the P&D half in these sets, both of them. It's Philadelphia and Denver mint. And then over here, we have 10 more Backyard Scrapping magnets. We have 10 Backyard Scrapping coasters, the first 7 of which were designed by Lake House Beach and donated by Lake House Beach. And then we got some that I tried to do, and I mean, they're okay, but they're not as good as lake houses. But anyway, so we got those, and then each one of these 10 giveaway prizes is getting a little gold nugget and then a vial of the silver crystals that I grew. Now the thing with this 10 is this 10 is done under a special criteria that I set up a while back. I was thinking about when I was going to do my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm not going to go into too much detail about that right now, but when we go ahead and actually do the drawing, then I'll explain the winners of these 10 prizes, and I'll explain why. So basically that's about what we got going on. So like I said, we have 21 prizes to give away. I'm actually going to have to cut back in here, and I'll put in the dates and everything like that as soon as I know exactly when we're going to do this. I don't know right now at the specific moment that I'm doing this part of the video, because I just want to make sure we stay at and over 1,000 before we do this drawing. So that's basically about it. I want to thank everybody for getting me to 1,000. I actually never really thought that was going to happen. I really didn't. I never thought I'd get to 100, so this is really a special thing. Okay, everybody, so now let's get to the entry part. To qualify, or to have a qualifying entry in this drawing, you have to be a subscriber. You also have to make sure that your subscriptions are public. In other words, I have to be able to go on your channel and verify that you are a subscriber to my channel. You have to like the video, and you have to, naturally put a comment in the video. And that is basically it. I mean, it's not going to be a whole bunch of other stuff that you got to do. Very simple. Just like, comment in the video, and make sure that your subscriptions are public so that I can verify that you are a subscriber to the channel. That is going to be for these first 10 places that we're going to do with the random comment picker. Like I said earlier, when we do the actual drawing announcements, we will explain this part of the video. Everybody knows that this part, this is just going to be drawn from a hat, and we'll probably do that first. So other than that, that's about it. I want to thank everybody again for getting me to 1,000. I really appreciate it. I want to thank Man Mountain Link, Dime Digger, and Lake House Beach for their donations for this giveaway. And I'll get back with you in just a few to let you know exactly, what the dates are going to be and everything like that. So other than that, I appreciate it, guys, and we'll get back to you in a bit.